Welcome once again. In today's tutorial, I will start by dragging down a video to the timeline. Apply border effect with a little border adjustment and animate as shown. Now go to the video at the top left corner, and animate by scaling from 400 to 100 restoration with the duration of 3 seconds. Copy the video. Move the playhead 1 frame forward and paste. Afterward, click the video and scale to 80. Again, move the playhead 1 frame forward and paste the video above, and also click the video and scale to 60. Move the playhead 1 frame forward. Paste the video and scale to 40 this time. Lastly, move the playhead 1 frame forward. Paste the video and scale to 20. Now I want to make the last slide to zoom in as the video. So I move the playhead to 2 seconds and adjust the second keyframe to match. Now I don't want the border to show. So I click the keyframe go to scale, and increase the video a bit by 107, so that the video will keep playing without the border showing at the end part. Thanks for watching. You are awesome. Make sure you subscribe.